No, my push please, you can try my car.
Hey divas, it's your girl Diva Heyyyy back to you with another video. Okay, y'all, I know I've been gone. I know y'all mad at me, but don't be mad at me. I got, to get my stuff together. Y'all know I'm getting it together. Anyway, y'all, today I am going to be installing this lace wig. Believe it or not, this is not my first time installing a lace wig on my head, but as you watch the video, y'all know how my videos go. Y'all know the struggle. I be struggling through the whole thing, but then I be cute at the end. That's all that matters. So sit back, y'all, enjoy this video and watching me install this lace wig. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you and thank you for clicking on my video. If you want to become a subscriber, please don't fear. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button. And welcome to the struggles of being cute on a dime with your girl Diva Heyyyy. Sit back, relax, and watch me work, y'all. Okay, divas, so I'm asking this question for a friend. How y'all do this whole gluing the stocking cap down? Because I've never done this before. This is the first time I'm doing the stocking cap thing. I normally take me some quick weave current stuff, like quick, the gel, quick weave gel, and I put it on top of my hair and I slick my hair back like I'm putting glue on there, and then I just put the wig on. So this whole stocking cap thing, I don't think I want to do this no more, y'all, because I struggled with this stocking cap. So I want to hear from y'all. Do you think the stocking cap is, useful? Do we need the stocking cap or no? Asking for a friend.
Hours later.
Come on, I know y'all see how crooked this stocking cap is. Don't sit there and don't act like y'all don't see how crooked this stocking cap is. Tell me what I did wrong with the whole stocking cap thing. Just tell me what I did wrong. So because of certain circumstances with, what's going on out here in society, I ain't have 100% alcohol. I only had 75% alcohol. So the struggle was real with, getting this glue off of my forehead and all of the extra oils. So, yeah.
30 hertz straight up.
Okay, divas, I know y'all been wondering where I got the wig from. I got the wig from an Instagrammer. Her name is Jasmine. The name of her company is The Perfect Unit, and I must say I really enjoyed this unit. I only wore it for 2 weeks, but I really liked it. Oh, side note, this is the quick weave gel I was telling y'all about that I just put on and then I put the wig on. So y'all gotta tell me if you know I'm doing it wrong, because I don't think I'm gonna do this stocking cap method no more. But anyway, Jasmine units are really good. I love her units. The next time I will be wearing this particular unit is when I dye it, and I plan on doing that for my friend's wedding. So I'll let you guys know how long it lasts and how good it holds up to dyeing when I dye it. I'll post a video, duh. Okay, divas, that was ghost glue that I just held up to the camera. I know you can't see it. My camera has a zoom lens on it, and I have to purchase a regular lens, a smaller lens for my camera. Yes, you guys, I have a new camera. I am so excited. That's also why you see me super close to the screen, because of the fact that my camera has a zoom on it. But I did want to let you guys know that the glue that I'm using to lay the lace wig is ghost glue. Okay, y'all, I messed up. I should have never done this. I should have cut the lace off before I placed this wig on top of the glue, because this is when the struggle got real.
30 hertz straight up, straight up, straight up.
So you guys see I cut off the lace, but with doing that, I kind of messed it up, y'all. I ruined it. First of all, my head is small, so I don't know what made me cut the lace off after gluing it down. That was not a good idea. And there is a band connected to the wig to better secure it in the back, I guess. I don't know why people put bands in there. I guess so you can wear the wig without it actually being glued down. Either way, I have messed up. And you just gonna keep seeing me trying to place it down and glue it down, and it's not gonna stay. So, yeah. So yeah, basically, y'all, I started over. I went off camera and I cleaned all of the other glue from the first glue down off. I put on a second stocking cap because of the hairline being so messed up on the first stocking cap. And I just started over. I learned that I need to practice more with the whole stocking cap method. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I don't get the point of the stocking cap, and it's kind of annoying. And I don't think I'm gonna use the stocking cap no more, unless you guys can give me a valid reason as to why we use the stocking caps. I don't believe in the future I am going to use the stocking cap. I'm just saying, it confused me. It kind of threw me off with knowing where my hairline was. And yeah, I just did not, I don't know what I did wrong, but it was wrong. Okay, y'all, I decided just to deal with whatever type of laying of this lace is, and it's time to go ahead and struggle with trying to lay some get some baby hairs up in here. Y'all, I'm not gonna say that I don't know how to do these things, because I do. It's just when you're recording yourself and trying to do things do not go how they are imagined in your head. And I would love to share with you guys the realness of how I try to make myself look good on a daily. So I don't want y'all to think that this is an easy task for me, that I'm just, putting my own laces in, doing my own nails. Yes, by the way, I did do my own nails. I don't want y'all to think that all that stuff is just over here sweatless victories, because it don't be, y'all. It don't be. I struggled with this wig. I did not share a whole lot of what struggles happen with trying to put in this wig, but I think you guys are gonna like how it turned out in the end.
Straight up, straight up, straight up.
I'm sorry, you guys. I had to switch over to my phone because my battery on my camera had died. I'm gonna finish styling the wig and see how my curls really come out. And I want to apologize for this toothpick. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Okay, divas, this is the end. We've made it. I made it. We did this, y'all. I hope you guys like how this unit turned out, even though all of the struggles were real. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my hair, and let me know in the comments below what I did wrong with this stocking cap. I really need to know what I did wrong, y'all. So please let me know. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember that fashion is a trend, and style, come on, man. Y'all know that's life. Bye, divas. I love y'all.